Okay, pause your video. It's a good question. Um, a community is composed of numerous different species. That's the definition of a community. That's all the living things in an area. All right, so what would cause a species to go extinct? All right, let's take a look. A competing species mutates faster. You can't control how fast mutations happen. I mean, I guess you can stand in front of stay out in the sun or stand in front of an X-ray machine, and yeah, you're going to get mutations that way. But in nature, a species can't decide to mutate faster. Not only that, that's not going to guarantee you're going to get good mutations, all right? Because some mutations are beneficial, some mutations are. So this A is not true. Just remember, can't mutations happen at a pretty constant rate. They don't happen faster or slower. All right, a competing species is much larger. All right, just because an organism is larger doesn't mean it's better. So a lot of times being a smaller organism is better. Okay, so that's not true. Just get that out of your, that's not a true statement. Larger isn't better, faster necessarily isn't better. Okay, so it just depends on the scenario. All right, a competing species consumes the same resources. Now we're getting into something. All right, so that could be the answer. So far, it's the best one. But that doesn't mean that competing species, whatever's competing, is better fit. It only says they're going after the same resources. Doesn't mean that the competing species is more fit. All right, so if you look at choice D, the competing species is more fit. Well, there it is. Answer is D. So if another species is going after the same resources and is better fit, then they're going to survive, and the other one's going to go extinct. And that's what it's asking about. What could cause a species to go extinct? Well, it's in the same area as a competing species that's more fit, and that other species will go extinct. All right, so C was close, but it's not the best answer. So you wanna remember this graph. All right, so you have let's say a species that let's just say is blue, not blue, but by the blue graph. Okay, so this green species is population, by the way, on the y-axis. All right, this is extinct now. All right, it's extinct because they're both going after the same resources, and the species here, population here in blue, is just more fit. Okay, so they can better access the resources, so they're going to thrive, and the green one, represented by the green line, they're going to go extinct. All right, so the answer is D. It's called This is called competition, by the way. Competition for similar resources.